Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can reset your Redragon keyboard or your Redragon gaming keyboard. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the software of your keyboard. So in my case I'm using a Redragon Fizz. So let's then type something like Redragon Fizz software on the search bar right here. And then you simply want to head over and download the official software for Redragon. It will simply look something like this after downloading the software. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and open it up. And basically this is my keyboard right here. Now, of course, you can set your lighting, you can set your macros the way you want to, but in my case, you can then proceed to hard reset or reset your gaming keyboard by clicking on the restore button. From there, just click on the OK button, and basically this will then reset your keyboard to its factory settings. Click on apply and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.